When you're shopping for a reliable everyday laptop, you usually want something that balances performance, comfort, and practicality without overcomplicating things, and that's exactly where the Dell 15 laptop, DC15250, comes into the conversation. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, this laptop is designed primarily for everyday computing tasks like browsing, office work, online learning, and media consumption. In daily use, the system handles typical multitasking fairly smoothly, whether you're switching between documents, watching videos, or managing emails. Though it's clearly built more for productivity than heavy gaming or demanding creative software. One of the noticeable aspects is the battery efficiency. The laptop focuses on energy-efficient usage, and with express charge support, it can quickly power up when you're in a hurry, which can be helpful for people who work or study on the go. The display experience also tries to address long hours in front of the screen thanks to Dell Comfort View software, which reduces blue light exposure and aims to keep your eyes more comfortable during extended sessions. Another practical touch is the keyboard layout, which includes roomy keys, a dedicated numeric keypad, and even a calculator hotkey, making it convenient for students, office workers, or anyone who deals with numbers regularly. The lifted hinge design adds a slight ergonomic typing angle, which can make long typing sessions feel more natural on the wrists. In terms of support, Dell includes a 1-year on-site service plan, meaning if a hardware issue can't be solved remotely, a technician can come to your location. Overall, the Dell 15 DC15250 focuses on delivering a straightforward everyday laptop experience with practical features aimed at productivity and comfort, making it a device that sits somewhere in the middle, capable enough for daily tasks while keeping things simple and efficient.